In this electronics project, I'm going to use three BC547 transistors, which are very common NPN transistors, often used for amplification and switching purposes. These tiny components are the backbone of our circuit and will allow us to detect electricity in a wire without making direct contact. First, I will carefully bend the emitter and collector pins of all three transistors at a right angle. This makes it easier to arrange them neatly and prepare for soldering. Proper pin bending is very important for building compact and reliable circuits. Next, I will cut the collector pin of the first transistor to make it shorter, apply some solder on it, and prepare it for connection. This ensures a clean and strong joint when we connect the LED. Now, I take a red LED, which will serve as our output indicator. I bend its negative pin, trim it short, and solder it directly to the collector pin of the first transistor. This way, whenever the transistor conducts, the LED will light up and act as a signal for us. After that, I trim the positive pin of the LED, apply some solder, and connect a 330 ohm resistor to it. This resistor is important because it limits the current flowing through the LED, preventing it from burning out and ensuring the LED has a long life. Next, I solder the emitter pin of the second transistor to the base pin of the first transistor, creating a chain connection. Then I connect the collector pin of the second transistor to the resistor attached to the LED. This step allows the second transistor to act as a driver, controlling the LED's brightness and switching. Now I take the third transistor and solder its emitter pin to the base pin of the second transistor, and its collector pin to the same resistor line. This makes the three transistors connected in a sequence, forming a kind of amplification chain, where even a tiny signal at the input can be amplified to light up the LED. To make this circuit detect electricity, I take a piece of copper wire and make a small coil out of it. This coil will act as a simple sensor antenna to pick up electromagnetic fields around live electrical wires. I solder this coil to the base pin of the third transistor, which is the input stage of our circuit. Now I connect a 9-volt battery. The positive terminal goes to the collector of the second transistor, and the negative terminal goes to the emitter of the first transistor. This powers up the entire circuit and makes it ready to work. Finally, our circuit is complete. Let's test it. I bring a live electric wire from my soldering iron close to the coil, and as soon as it detects the electromagnetic field, the red LED lights up, indicating the presence of electricity without touching the wire directly. How it works. This project uses the principle of electromagnetic induction. When current flows through an electric wire, it creates a small magnetic field around it. The copper coil senses this field and sends a tiny signal to the base of the transistor chain. The three BC547 transistors then amplify this weak signal step by step until it is strong enough to light up the LED. Where can we use this project? As a non-contact voltage tester to check if a wire is live. As a safety tool when working with household electricity. In educational demonstrations to teach how transistors amplify signals. As a DIY gadget to understand the concept of electromagnetic fields and current detection. This project is not only simple, but also very useful and fun to build. It shows how basic components like transistors, LEDs, and a coil can be combined to make a practical tool.